Hi everyone, welcome back to Zenova, and in this video I'd like to show you how you can create a report or a portfolio from any of the AI modules that you are in. So right now I'm in the AI S&P 500 Analyst. I'm displaying 25 stocks, but I can display 10, 25, 50, 100 per page. If I simply just hit AI Report, it will generate a report of all 500 stocks with their predictions for price and alpha. And that's here. And you can either print this out or save it as a PDF. If I want to create a portfolio of stocks from the S&P 500, it will create a portfolio per page. So if there are 25 stocks on this page, then it can create a portfolio for those 25 stocks. And you can see you can tab down here for different pages. So let's say for this page I want to save these and look at this as a potential portfolio. I simply hit the export button. Could name this here my AI stocks. Say yes. And it's exported. Now if I go into the stock portfolio, right now it's loading up all my portfolios, and it is currently loading up the one I'm viewing, which is the Zoofolio portfolio right here. So it's recalculating all the statistics and analytics for this portfolio. It's done. So now if I look in my pull down, I can see my AI stocks, and it's right there. The portfolio has been brought over, and if I look in the trade blotter, I can see my AI stocks. And as I scroll down in the blotter, I can see it's put all the symbols in with the amount of shares. It defaults to 100 shares with the traded price and the trade date being today. Current shares 100. Now this can just basically be a watch list. If there are any stocks in this list I want to take out and I do not want to view them as part of the portfolio, I can simply deselect this checkbox next to the name and save it, and then that stock will still be in my trade blotter, but it will not be included in my portfolio. I can put it back in now. So returning back out to the main portfolio screen, I can now look at and select my AI stocks and run it for the first time as a portfolio and do all the calculations on this my AI stock portfolio, and that's what it's doing currently right now. And there are many calculations that it initially does the first time, so we'll wait for that. And just so you know, you can create as many of these as you would like to for watching before you actually pull the trigger and do any trades. And you'll see then here it is. It basically shows you your industry allocation for these stocks that it hit and all the other analytics and statistics that it's both calculating and pushing out as output. And right in here in portfolio tracking now, this will be tracked in real time as the markets are open. Right now there's no obviously realized P&L or current P&L, unrealized P&L, $53 because the market moved a little bit. But this will keep track of everything for you, your P&L, your dividends, your returns, and then all the other statistical and graphs or output for this portfolio right here. The actual portfolio itself will load up in a grid down below here, and this is your AI watch list. And as you scroll across, there are about 80 columns of output. When you get to the last columns, you can actually see where it is outputting those predictions for those stocks that you loaded in here from the AI module. And that's it. So it's pretty easy to do. You can export out any of the stocks from any of the AI portfolios to create watch lists or actual portfolios for trading. Thank you.